my biggest loss ever today. But how we recovered and how we played this was very, very important. Now, as you can see, pre-market, I thought Tesla and Apple were going to fly, but did not go that way. It's all good though, because we secured 2,600 profit Friday, so obviously this is expected after a split. But as you can see, people right here scared selling. Some news came out about Tesla. I posted a video about that today. And people saw the dip and were scared and they were selling off. And when this happened, actually, right when it dipped down really far, I actually bought more shares of Apple and Tesla. Because this dip, I knew was going to happen. When a stock splits, obviously there's going to be fear involved. Yesterday was big for both companies, so obviously people are taking massive profits right now, which is not good for us long-term holders because in the short term we see big losses. But I held out, and as you can see, we recovered pretty well. I mean, we were down 2,600 and only ended the day off at about 1,100 so far. Obviously after hours are pushing up, so really curious to see. But if you look at my chart and then you look at Tesla's, they're almost identical, which is crazy. It just shows you. Dropped right here. Some news came out about this shareholder that's selling a bunch of shares. I think it was like 900 million shares. So people got scared, and it shouldn't tank the stock this bad. People are scared selling. Got all the way down to 14%. And I bought right here because I was like, are you kidding? I'm looking long term. Yes, this can happen today. Yes, Tesla's moved $100 in a day. I've seen it happen with my own eyes. So when there's a red day like this, don't scared sell. It's so bad. I mean, you're just pulling, and then it's going to hit resistance and go back up. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't. But usually a stock in a company like Apple or Tesla, they're great companies. The reason why they move so heavy is the hype, the stock splits in the news. As you can see, Apple right here did the same thing. Dropped, scared selling all day, and it slightly recovered. Now, I think that Apple and Tesla are still going to explode. I could be wrong. In the short term, it's definitely going to go down. I'm expecting a couple more percent. Not anything crazy like we saw today, maybe 6 to 10 more percent throughout the next few weeks. It'll be choppy. But in the long term, you are not going to regret holding Apple or Tesla. And that's why you got to have a hand that will not hit that sell button when you see huge losses like this. Because I promise, while that line's going down and you're freaking out and getting all anxious, you're going to recover. It usually happens. If you have the right stock, you have the right mentality, you're patient with your earnings. As you can see for the week, I'm patient. I didn't sell off. I'm still way up for the week and way up for the month. But if you guys enjoyed that, found any value in that, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for new videos. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.